Lesson 36, page 62. Jingle Bells. So this is a pretty easy song. You're just going to play a C chord like this on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The staccato chord is just this. See that? It's just a very short staccato. Then you play your thumb, then go to 5. Notice that this is tied here, right? And then you just have the tune. The first two bars are really simple. This goes up a third, down a fifth, like that. Okay, so let's see if we can play just the right hand. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Now here you go. Up a third, down a fifth, up by seconds. Look ahead now. After 4 counts, go up a step. 2 eighths. 1, 2, 3, rest. That's the right hand. Left hand by itself. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, both hands at the same time, slower now. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, with the duet now, go an octave higher. Okay, 1, 2, ready, play. Page 63 is a review. This is what we should know right now from the pink books. Treble clef, this is called a treble clef. This is called a bass clef. Name these rests. I'd like you to see if you can name them before I tell you what it is. This rest is called a whole rest. And this one, half rest. This one, quarter rest. And that note is called a half note, quarter note, whole note, dotted half note, eighth notes. This sign is called a sharp sign. It means to play the next key to the right. This sign is called a flat sign. It means to play the next key to the left. Name these intervals. This interval is a second. How about this one? Fifth. This is a third. Fourth. Fourth. Fourth, third, fifth, third, second. This sign over or under a group of notes that are to be played legato is called a slur. Name these chords. C chord, G chord. You could say C major chord, G major chord. You could also call it a triad, C major triad or G major triad. Those are all correct answers. This sign is called a tie. See how it connects the same pitch? This sign is called a repeat sign. What do these terms mean? Legato means connect the notes smoothly. Staccato means detached and disconnected notes. Okay, we're now going to go on to page 30 in the technique book. Snake Charmer, we have another one of these asterisks here. So we're just going to be moving our hand up the piano. We're going to do number 1 first. Okay? So it goes up a fifth, down a third, up a second, down. Now slide up 1 key, up a fifth, that's a third, second, third, second, third, 2, 1. You might want to try one hand at a time to start with here. 2, 1, 2. Another key up. 2. So the important thing here is to keep your eyes on the score. Just feel the movement up to the right. You have 1 more note to go now to C. Here's where you started, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do number 2 now. So this is the same sort of thing. We're going to be going up the keyboard this way though. So it goes like this. 2, 1. Now slide everything up 1 key. Think down a fifth, up a second. Another key. That's where we started, right? That's where we're going to stop. Okay, on page 31, Indian Brave. Really simple left hand. It's the same sort of thing we did in the piano book. We're just going to play really soft with that left hand. Even though it says forte, play soft with the left hand. The forte has to come from the right hand. So I would suggest starting to practice here. This is going to go up a fourth, up a second, down a second with a B flat, then down a third. You want to play that a bunch of times. Now we're over here. That's also B flat, isn't it? See, because it was flat here. Okay, at the end there's a tie when you come in there. Okay, so just have that left hand. Sometimes the right hand stops, like it does in the beginning, and it stops right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now the right hand comes in right here. 2, 3, 4. Let's try it at a faster tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now the performance book, page 32 in this book. Baby Skunk. We're just going to try to play this kind of quickly right now. So it's middle C position with a F sharp there. 1, 2, 3, 4.